Wow. Okay, I see your point now. Getting a foot massage from a guy was, yeah, a little awkward. See? I told you. Same ballpark. Anyway, sorry to cut you off, go ahead and finish what you were saying about Amsterdam. Okay, so like I was saying, it's the little differences. Right. As an additional example, you know how in America our population been growing for years. Okay, well, in Amsterdam, it breaks down like this. Amsterdam lost over 10% of its population to the plague between 1623 and 1625, and then again between 1635 and 1636. But dig this, the population of Amsterdam rose in the 17th century, largely through immigration, from 50,000 to 200,000. Shit. And it's like this, you know how in America people be coming here from Mexico, Korea, India, and all that? Yeah. Well, ya see, in Amsterdam. In Amsterdam you know where them peoples be coming from? Where? In the 16th and 17th century non-Dutch immigrants to Amsterdam were mostly Huguenots, Flemings, Sephardi Jews, and Westphalians. Can you believe that? Westphalians. Shit. Hey, I'm getting hungry. We've been talking about eating all day, burgers, French fries, even holiest of holies, but I ain't eat a damn thing. Were you just playing about how tasty that Big Kahuna burger was? Yeah, that was mostly just for dramatic effect. That thing tasted worse than a Rally's burger. Why you think I only took one bite? So do you wanna split a $5 shake? Hey, that reminds me, you know what they call splitting a check in Amsterdam? They don't call it going Dutch. Nah man, see, that wouldn't make no sense over there. 'Cause of the metric system. They just call it splitting the check. Splitting the check? Shit.